Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Let us relate and transcribe these words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to open up the slashes, and that's exactly what I'll be doing right now. Follow me. Okay, I'm done with them. The first word here is seed. And it says helm. And this one is material. And this is chair. And this one is furniture. And this is comfort. And this one is sit. And this is color. And this is different. Alright, let's close them out so we can solve them together. Alright, let's go. Seat, helm, material, chair, furniture, comfort, sit, color, different. Seat, helm, material, chair, furniture, comfort, sit, color, different. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.